Okay, I am freaking out now. How did this guy get my cell phone number?
Listen, Mr. Hunter Guy, I'm trying to take a nap. A little beauty rest, see? And you're over here pulling the trigger on forest creatures. It's driving me nuts.
Why, I'm sorry, Mr. Woodpecker. Well, you see, I'm hunting rabbits.
Well, okay, but can you do it quietly, please? Don't ever let me out of my birdhouse again. Don't you ever forget that.
Well, folks, I guess this could take a while.
Good morning, America. Today, we begin our broadcast with a featured documentary. Have a nice day. On today's documentary show, we are going to be discussing the wonders of a delicious tuna meal for your pussycats everywhere.
Okay, more to the left. Now grab his leg. No, his other leg. Oh, for goodness sakes, his other leg. All right, thank you.
Why doesn't Granny just get cable?
I claimed this planet in the name of Mars.
Ain't I a stinker?
Gee, I love that cartoon.
Yeah. But I think it's time that we should get some R&R. You know, rest and relaxation. We've got a big day of crime fighting tomorrow.
You know, Rose Wilson may be right. Funny enough, I was thinking the exact same thing. Come on, girls. Oh, Thomas. Me and my friends are gonna be heading to bed for a snooze. So make sure to keep an eye out, just in case any rodent wants to lay a finger on our cheddar cubes from the slumber party. Have a good night.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. A cat woman owning a cat? Next, you'll be telling me that Toto from The Wizard of Oz is related to Charlie Dog from Looney Tunes.
Okay, coast is clear.
All right. So what do you think is in this place?
Ooh, there's cheddar cubes, just like Mother used to make.
All right. Let's bust this concrete stand open.
Guess it's time for Plan B. Hey, Jim, how come you're on top? Because it's much easier for me to search for things prospectively. Okay, right.
Jim, do you see the cheddar cubes?
Yep. Oh boy. What's the matter? Looks like that pussycat's inside again.
How are you gonna get in?
Well, men, looks like we're going through the roof. Right, now give me your foot.
What?
Now make sure to tie the knot around your waist. Shh! You'll wake the pussycat.
Right. Now here's a good time for me to go over the plan. I'm thinking...
Hey, fellas, this is great.
Stop fooling around.
Swing me closer.
Well, okay, but hurry up and grab me the ones with cheddar.
What was that?
Well, whatever it is, I sure hope it's not ghosts. Well, only one way to find out.
Thanks, buddy.
Well, that went well.
I agree. But all the same, I just can't help but think we've forgotten something.
Well, Thomas, it looks like you've caught yourself a midnight treat, 1 in a million.
You are so busted.
Tell me about it.